From Nerf, the N-Strike Recon CS6, the blaster you can customize.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for Comma Southern Cook County, extreme southeastern Dupage County, north central County, until 7 p.m. At 6:02 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado, and an off-duty National Weather Service meteorologist reported a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Woodridge, or near Bolingbrook, and moving east at 35 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Downers Grove, Lemont, Westmont, Hinsdale, Burr Ridge, Willow Springs, Lock Range, Justice, Lyons, Summit, Worth, Stickney, Oak Lawn, Midway Airport, Osip, Posen, Blue Island, Chatham, Tilton, and Tarrant. This tornado warning replaces the severe thunderstorm warning that was in effect for the same area. Go to a basement or small interior room on the lowest floor. Motorists should not take shelter under highway overpasses. As a last resort, either park your vehicle and stay put, or abandon your vehicle and lie down in a low-lying area.